Hello, I'm Doug Hoyt. My teammate was Richard Farr, and we built defido2 as our hack. It's a smart contract wallet that uses FIDO2 security tokens for all key storage and signature support. It's command line native and has a lot of DeFi integrations, for example, Compound, Uniswap, Aave, and Open Gas Station Network. The advantage of using a FIDO token over a custom hardware solution is that they're very common and useful. You can use them for everything from logging into Google or GitHub to SSHing into your servers. They're also very cheap. You can pick up a solo key for 20 bucks. Let's continue to a demo. defido2 is a C++ command line application. You can run the application with no arguments to list the available commands. The first command you should run is the list command, which will show all of the currently active FIDO2 devices on your computer. Next, you should select the device you would like to use and then run the init command. At this point, you'll have to enter the PIN for your FIDO2 device if it has one. And afterwards, it's waiting for the user presence activation. So a physical press of your Yubikey is what you need to do. At this point, you'll have initialized a JSON file. We can look at that and see that it contains the public key and a credential ID and some metadata, but it does not actually contain any private key material, that being stored purely on your FIDO2 security token. The next thing we should do is deploy our defido2 smart contract to the network. This is our contract address. We can check to see how much ether we have by using the ether command. ETH balance will tell us. The first thing we might want to do is deposit some ETH into the wallet from our sender. Let's deposit 10 ETH. Now, if we check, we see that 10 ETH has been moved into the smart contract. If we, however, try to withdraw 1 ETH, now we need to actually go to our security token for permission. So enter the PIN, do the user presence, and it will invoke a method on the smart contract and withdraw 1 ETH back to the sender. Now if we look at the ETH balance, we can see that 1 ETH has been removed. The first DeFi integration I'd like to show is Compound. Let's check our Compound balances. It says we have 0 CETH and 0 CDAI. Let's mint some CETH. How about 5? PIN and presence. Now let's check our Compound balances. Now we see we have a CETH balance. The next step is to enter the market for CETH. Again, every operation requires permission from the security token. And now, finally, we can borrow. Let's borrow 10 CDAI. Now we should have 10 DAI in our wallet, which we can check with the ERC20 command. Let's use Uniswap 2 to change some of these DAI to something else. First, approve the Uniswap for DAI trading. Next, use the dedicated Uniswap integration to swap, say, 3 DAI for wrapped Ether. Success! Let's just make sure by checking our wrapped Ether balance. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our GitHub repo for future updates.